have my new grow light. I am actually going to be putting this up under here, and this is long enough that it will fit about 4 trays, seed trays. So we're gonna get this open and just see how it is. Okay, at least the cardboard can go in the garden too. And it is, I just wanna say, it's not raining. I don't know. Put all that cardboard down yesterday and it's not raining. Whoop. All kinds of stuff in this box. Oh, so welcome to Amazon. Get a little gift card. Actually, we'll make the price of this light only $7 because that's a $20 gift card if I review. It says, which will be nice. I could get something else for the garden. This is what it looks like. Has a nice strong clip with pads there to protect the surface that you're clipping it to. And then it has 4 lights. This light can come in 2 lights, 3 lights, or 4 lights. So this is the first time I'm using this type. I normally use the bar style light like I have in the laundry room. I did read reviews on this. This had really good reviews. Really the only negative review I saw about this light was that these prongs tend to fall. But as you can see, they're pretty stable. I mean, we're not going to be shaking our table that much, so I do believe that they'll work just great. You can also set it down on the table if you have your lights spread out. So I'm gonna just kind of get this clipped over here. And that has a really good hold. This isn't a very... And then all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna face these. This is how I plan on using this light. Put 2 lights facing one way and 2 lights facing off the other way so that the table here can fit 4 trays total. So each tray or each side will have 2 grow lights on either side. The perk of doing it out here as well is that I'll actually get the natural light coming in from the window when it is sunny and nice outside. Whereas in the laundry room, there is no natural light. There's also no heating element in there either. We didn't put an air duct in our laundry room because it's also our pantry. And it's better for your pantry to be on the colder side. So it does get quite cold in that room. Out here though, it's gonna be 68, which is what we keep our house at. And then it will have the light from the window here. So this light here has multiple features. There is a timer of 3 hours, 9 hours, and 12 hours. So let's get this turned on. And I will show you guys what it looks like. So you have the blue light here. Blue light is good for stimulating germination and growth. This is the mixed light, the mixed spectrum light. So it's got both red and blue light in it. And then you have the red light here. So the red light is good for helping plants produce flowers or produce fruit. So different types of plants will need different spectrum. This light can also go up and down in its intensity. I won't really be able to tell which light is better, if the bar light style that I have in the laundry room, or if this style light is better, because this one is going to have the light from the window coming in to help germinate these seeds. Whereas the one in the living room has no light, external light, it's just the light, the bar light itself. I will say that the seeds that I did at the beginning of the month germinated in 2 days after I planted them. Most of them, and then the rest of them were up by day 4, which is crazy because some of them said they could take up to anywhere from 4 to 14 days. And then I did not know it was coming with this, but these are so cute. I love little tools. Sometimes little tools are handy in the garden. just smaller than what you normally work with, but 2 miniature shovels. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the new grow light. I hope you found some value in it. Until next time, go out, grow, and do something you love. Bye.